So guys, just now I have finished thermodynamics for the batch 2025 for GATE Aerospace, and I thought every day after class and after doubt sessions I used to walk in night time after my dinner. So I thought like I can discuss few things like a vlog, vlog type. So we started our batch on 15th Feb. Roughly 9 lectures or 10 lectures we covered, and we finished thermodynamics. And in thermodynamics I taught every concept very neat and clean, properly. And yeah, it was a fabulous session. Students were comfortable, and many students, they are parallel with me, many students they are not parallel. Some students are like a lot of work is pending for them, like numericals of the live class are pending for some students. Some students are pending for their assignments and test series as well. For many students, topic wise test series is pending. But I think 30-35% students, they are parallel with me in everything. They have solved classwork problems also, they have solved assignments also, and they have solved test series, topic wise test series as well. So students who are actually still thinking to prepare for GATE Aerospace exam, they can join me. And today it was 9th or 10th lecture, and I started jet propulsion portion, jet propulsion. And today I was explaining about the core parts of the engine, and why things are like how things are working, how momentum is being transferred, why the exit velocity is more than inlet velocity. These things are like very core concepts of aircraft propulsion, and we were dealing everything. It was and when I teach aircraft propulsion, actually I love my favorite subject. It used to be my favorite in my time, but being a teacher, I have to teach everything at the top-notch level, and I do that. I teach all the subjects, and you can see my sample videos are there on YouTube. Sample means first few videos I used to upload on YouTube of all the subjects every year. So my YouTube channel is not very old. I started a YouTube channel like just as a channel without any content in 2018 October, I guess. I have to check the date, but that time I was like, simply I used to whatever I was teaching in. So I am teaching from 2014 for GATE Aerospace. Slowly subscribers are being added, and students I'm getting from YouTube only. That is my only source of getting students. So intention behind this video is, every day after class I will be making this kind of vlog type video, and you guys will be motivated who are doing self-study, that yes, every day people are doing study, every day people are, because students who are involved into self-study, sometimes they don't study the way they should actually. What they do, 2-3 days they will study for 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. Saturday, Sunday, some people will study so much, and remaining days they will not study. See, I am not considering those people who are as a working professional. They are already working in some areas, and somehow they are managing time. That is already like exceptional case. People are really working hard in that level also. But I am targeting those students who have time. They can spend time in a day. They can practice a lot. Like I have one student today. He said, "Sir, 200 plus questions are there, and you are saying us to submit by Saturday, Sunday, by the upcoming Saturday, Sunday." And from last 2 weeks, I have given that assignment to cover, and I used to give assignment with solution. So my point is, if you are joining coaching late, or if you are planning to join in some other month, in upcoming days, dogs are barking. So it will not reduce the size, the volume of the syllabus, right? Size and volume of the syllabus is going to be same. Whatever thing I am teaching, there you can't cut things, right? The knowledge, all the concepts, all the numericals, all like you need time to solve all those things. So start as early as possible for GATE Aerospace exam. And slowly I will improve these kind of vlog videos. I will input some informative talks in these kind of videos. I was actually, I finished my class and then I finished doubts of all the students. Then we had some chit chat in our WhatsApp group. My WhatsApp group name is two WhatsApp groups we have. In one WhatsApp group, I used to update about classes, like I am the admin only and it is logged, others cannot chat. And another WhatsApp group is for group chat. That WhatsApp group name is We Are in Another Classroom. So we were having some थोड़ा हंसी मजाक हो रहा था, अच्छी अच्छी बातें हो रही थी. So I was pulling legs of some students and today I have given 2 questions, I mean actually 3 questions. So in 2 questions students are being stuck and that discussion is going on in WhatsApp group. I don't want to reply the answer because once I will reply the answer then thought process will not develop in the students. Some students, they texted me personally and sir, tell me the answer. I strictly say no, take your time. First you think, because once I will tell the answer then where is your time? When will you find time to improve your thinking, that thought process? Because today I was saying in the class, knowing subject is really different. Knowing some fact is different, but applying that into the numerical or into the problem, there you have to work actually. Okay. So that is just step 1, knowing something, knowing some facts or knowing the knowledge. Main thing is how to apply in any numerical. That there you have to struggle. You have to solve different types of questions. So all those things you can do if you have time. So means time management is very, very important for GATE aerospace exam. Many students think that no, we will do time management in, we'll do in final year, we'll do in after completing degree for GATE exam. Guys, whatever you are doing as per your comfort, that is fine. But what I believe that if you have done a very good study in your college life of 4 years of your BTech or BE, like your professors or you by yourself or by other sources, if you have done all your UG subjects very well, then after that 6-7 months are fine. But most of the students, they complain that they are not studying well in their colleges, that's why they are joining the coaching. So it makes, like, you have to think about this, when to start. As early you will start, you will be having very, very good result. So you have to start very early. Very early means how early? First year, second year, third year, final year. So what kind of student you are? You understand the syllabus. So I suggest when you are in first year, when you are in second, if you have missed in first year, if you are in second year, start as early as possible. Because one more logic is there. Some students I have, they prepared with me and they qualified GATE exam in just 3 months. I have some students, they prepared for 3 years with me, they could not qualify GATE exam. All types of results I have. So being practical and telling you that, think on average. What is average line? You have to find time to prepare for the syllabus, and syllabus is actually lengthy. Whatever they are writing in the PDF, GATE syllabus, that looks like, okay, this topic, this topic, this topic, this topic. You have to prepare lot of things. For example, when you will go to the math, syllabus is defined. But you know what? For example, you are solving a complex number problem. In that complex number problem, like, do you have a very good grip on integration? No, you don't, right? If you have, because during complex number, integration comes, right? In some problems. So your fundamentals should be very strong. Suppose suddenly this year in GATE exam, they are asking, draw pressure line on HS diagram, enthalpy entropy diagram. How will you think? How will you draw? Because in most of the lectures and notebooks, PV diagram is there, TS diagram is there. Okay, even if it is there, HS diagram is there in some books, but you should have that idea ki how to draw constant pressure line on HS diagram, constant volume line on HS diagram. So you have to be good in graphs also. You have to be good in equations also. So when you prepare for GATE exam, these things are also, you have to work on these things. Because every student is not preparing for IIT JEE in their 11th and 12th. or some students are even preparing for IIT JEE in 11th and 12th, but every student is not having very good grip in mathematics. So all these things, guys, you have to cover. So I hope this kind of vlog, like freestyle vlog, no editing, nothing, will add certain value definitely in your preparation plan. Okay, you can contact me on my WhatsApp 6380135260. Don't call me directly, just give me a WhatsApp message, and whenever you are sending me a message, you must mention your name, from which college you are, and in which semester you are, because if already I have students from that college, I can directly give you reference of the particular student with their consent, because some students, like some girls or some boys, they don't want to reveal that they are from the particular college and they are studying with me, because they want to say everything after result. And yesterday, I think the day before yesterday, one student asked, sir, how many students qualified from your coaching, and can I have contact of those people? No, guys, actually, see, I don't, like me and those students, we don't find mutual time for the interview. But students who are studying with me, they know the reality. And results and all, see, of course I have so beautiful results. But if you are thinking that pasting photos on websites or pasting photos here and there can be authentic source to know the results, no, it is completely bluff. I know some people, illegally they are pasting photos and all India rank of something on their websites. Okay, so you can just understand what I am saying, right? Okay, I will try to make some more effective vlog videos like this. Thank you all.